Lots of blue coming our way. Lots of blue. We got lots of blue, guys. Come on, let's pull them off. Give me a sec here. I'll get him. Fucking tree set. I want it. I'm not sure if they're respawning, but guys, Chung, watch out. They got two moving, looks like, towards your direction. Josh, the furthest hill. The furthest hill. Josh! Furthest to your left! They're coming up! About 5 or 6! Make that a dozen! What? Right? Right side? Fuck yeah. I can't reach that far. Oh shit. Yeah, there's a buttload of them coming up the left side of that hill, dude. Nugent, I'm repositioning. Hold. You're in charge of our flank there. Watch it. Watch it. Moving. We just lost Ian. Nugent, we just lost Ian. I can see a freaking pair of legs right now. Got him. This is fucking why I got this gun. Hey, watch your back, dude. There's like 3 in front of that concrete bunker. Who's down there? Yeah. Iowa 1. Nugent's pretty hairy. I'm not sure if he's out or not. I know he's in trouble though. Nugent, I'm over here reinforcing. There's a shit ton of them. How many are still over there? Nugent's in trouble. How the fuck far down are you? Oh, holy shit. Jesus. Fuck, my backpack has a bunch of them in it. Shit. We lost contain on that flank. I'm not. Is that Nugent though? It's Nugent. I'm seeing red. Yes, I see red armband. No, it is Nugent. He's in that door. Jesus, that had to hurt. Nugent, you're clear. They're all by the concrete bunker still. Yeah, come on, Briar. Watch your mouth. What? Just sitting up here? My backpack has 6 mid-caps filled, ready to go with 2 5s. Way the fuck over there. Yeah. We're cut off. Fuck yeah, over there. Out the exfil out. Okay. I got my sidearm. I can just keep filling with that until I run out of gas pretty much. I'm gonna beat Jeremy if he said, nope, you never get any gas. Do we have control of mine 1 still? Oh, hello. Where are they? Where? Over there? Right, you just said no, didn't you? I don't know, we're on the ridgeline, we have no idea. We're pretty much cut off from the outside world. I mean, you're beating some EU ass though. Oh, fuck. Get that shot, that'll be... Oh, fuck. I see him. I'm getting my scope. spooked him or I got him out because I don't see him. I either spooked him or he's out because I don't see him. Probably not. Is there a rough at junkyard yet? There's like a... How far away do you think that is? Me to that van? Fuck, he's moving. I'm out. Like this,
that was becoming extremely compromised.
Why?
Because I had
You had 3 what? Fuck this. I'm using a fucking high cap this time. He's right there, he's right there. Fuck, no. Concrete bunker too.
What?
Concrete bunker there at the end. This has to be wreaking havoc on them.
Good, got it.
Fuck, guys, they're able to get through though.
That's fine. Look at those guys.
I'm hit.
What?
Yeah, in the fucking leg.
By that guy in the concrete bunker.
I'm hit. Fuck, I was just like, what the fuck? Yeah, I gotta walk back.